Hey everyone, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I will be talking about how you can earn money on Fiverr or freelancer. As a freelancer here, you can see these are the freelancers on of Fiverr where they are earning like 66 pounds or 206 pound per resume. So how you gonna do this as well? How you can be it? You just have to go to the website that's resume.io, and you have to check this website. It gives you option for building free resume for any type or any template that you want, whether it's engineering or a finance related. There are all the templates included in it. So how you gonna start this? It's basically you just have to go to my create my resume, and then the page will be opening. There are like you can first of all you have to choose the template, what style you need, like the Dublin style, the Stockholm style, or you want anything that's London style. So there are the different countries style resume included. It depends upon you, like which country are you living in, and according to that that resume is being held. So we will be using this template, and then you have to just skip that. You don't have to just say my name is Josh, it's Matthew, and then continue. It's emails. Let's say, well, I'm going to give the email any email that I want to give. It's upon you. And create resume. You need to like a AI assistant with that for that as well, or use example like this. Now we will create from the scratch basically. So here we will be uploading some basic information. Let's say Josh. It's a job title basically, like journalist. Okay, let's say it's a journalist. My name is Josh Matthew, or sorry, the it's incorrect. It's a Josh dot Matthew 31 at hotmail.com. We'll be giving 441245678. I'll be giving my all the details will be coming over here. The country is United States, yeah, United Kingdom. It's up to you which city are you in. Say London, city of the London. Okay. So here will be giving the description, any employment type, like which or what job title that you had in the past. So you can include all this, and once it's and there are some actual edit sections like courses, customs, internship, and then just go and download the resume, create with AI. It's depend upon you. So you just have to go, and you can make a resume for the people around you, or you can earn money like these people basically. So these are the websites. Website, I have given the website in the description as well, so you can check it out and on start. Thank you so much, guys. Hey everyone.